The common types of sludge dryers today operate based on the principle of heat transfer. The sludge is brought into direct contact with hot air or steam to evaporate the free water. This method, although simple, consumes a lot of energy, causes odor, the equipment is bulky, and the efficiency of reducing sludge mass is not high. Electroosmosis is completely different. It does not rely on heat to dry the sludge, but relies on direct current. More importantly, instead of only removing free water, ELO acts on capillary water, surface water, and bound water, the types of water that are difficult to separate but account for a very large proportion of the sludge. The principle of ELO is the combination of 10% mechanical pressing force and 90% electro-osmotic force. These two parts work together to pull water out of the sludge. First is the mechanical pressing part. The sludge is pressed between the rotating drum and the conveyor belt, the free water is squeezed out, and the sludge cake is thinned to increase the contact area with the electrodes. Next is electro-osmotic dewatering. When direct current is supplied, an electric field forms between the positively charged rotating drum and the negatively charged pulling chain. The sludge particles carrying negative charge will attract positive ions in the water, forming an electric double layer. When the electric field operates, the positive ions move toward the negative electrode, pulling water molecules along with them. Thanks to this mechanism, ELO can reduce half of the sludge mass and at the same time double the dryness, DS, compared to the original. In summary, ELO does not use heat to evaporate water, but uses mechanical pressing force combined with electro-osmotic dewatering to remove even the most difficult types of water to separate in the sludge.